What's up, guys? It's your girl Heaven coming at you with a new product alert. Hit 'em with the drum roll, please. Urban Decay's Double Team Mascara. Love it. Okay, so we're just gonna open it up, but quickly we are going to read the packaging because, I mean, they're making some pretty big claims on the packaging itself. So, amp up your lashes and brows with 2 of our metallic mascara top coats in one, silver and gold. Wear these shades alone for a hit of multi-dimensional sparkle. Layer them over regular mascara or try them over one of our colored mascaras for more dramatic effect. When used on lashes, our thick, curved fiber brush separates and coats even the tiny inner corner lashes. Okay, so I have always thought when people claim that you can get the inner corner hairs, the wand is shaped weirdly. So we're gonna see if that is the deal and what is the tea with this. So first impressions on this packaging, it is very futuristic, very minimalistic, very, very nice. So these are both special effects, and we're just gonna go in and see how they work. All right, so the 2 shades that we're gonna be talking about today are Dime, which would be the silver shade, and Gold Mine, which is, of course, the gold side. So opening it up, ooh, that wand is shaped crazy. I knew it would be, though. It is very straight across, but it does have noticeable ridges and waves on the actual wand. So this is the silver shade. I am going to swatch it. I know. Who swatches a mascara? But your girl is going to do it today. And this is, of course, the silver shade. It catches the light so nicely. I cannot wait to put this on my eye. Let's move on to the gold side before we put it on our lovely eyes. Oh my gosh. Wow, it is coated completely. Wow. Even the little stopper that is supposed to take some of the product off, looking into the hole right there, it is very large and allows for a lot of product to go on this brush. So I am just gonna tuck this gold one right here. Oh my gosh, that one is definitely going to take this eyeshadow look to the next level. So enough playing around, let's go ahead and put this on our eyes. So just to show you guys the full effect of this mascara, I did apply 1 layer of my everyday mascara, and I am going to be placing one of these shades on top of that, as well as on this eye by itself, just to see how good this formula is. Okay, so starting with the gold side, you know your girl had to get into that gold. We're just going to place it directly over this black mascara, and let's just see if it really does get in there on those inner corner, hard to reach lashes. Okay, let's go.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but
Alright, that is 1 coat, but I'm not feeling like it's completely coating my lashes in gold, and that's what I want. So we're just gonna go ahead and put 1 more layer and see if that helps.
Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear.
is reaching the inner corner hairs, like I'm not even gonna lie. It is. Okay. And now I am going to get you guys super duper up close so that you can see in real time what this looks like on my eyes. So let's jump into a super close-up. All right, guys, we are super duper up close and personal. I'm not feeling like putting the first coat of my everyday mascara. I don't think that that is a good idea just because you can only see it in the outer corners where that mascara probably did not touch as much. So we are going to move on to the lower lash, and I'm just going to put the gold with no mascara and see how that works. All right, so we are going to place this gold on the lower lash. Let's get it. I like it.
Each time of year carries memories like a never fading whisper.
Okay, so I am going to bring you guys back in so you can see this worked so much better. I'm so much happier with this lower lash line than I am with the top. So let's bring y'all close. All right, guys, so with the lower lash line, I do have to mention that this wand makes it super hard to really get inside and to the root of your lash without, of course, bumping the skin. So I do have a couple of bumps and knocks, but overall this is a very, very stunning golden color. Alright guys, so with this side I am not going to apply my everyday mascara first on the top lashes just because it did not work for me on this side. So let's just dive into this lovely silver color. Oh my god. Again, we swatched it and it was lovely. Let's just hope that it transfers the same onto the eye. So let's get it.
The blue, they change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no.
I love that. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Looking at it up close, I look like I have tinsel coming out of my eyes and I'm living for it. It is amazing. I know you guys are probably be like, girl, get us up close. We want to see. I got you. All right, so as you can see again, that wand makes it so difficult for you to get to the root of your lash without bumping the skin underneath. So I wish that the wand was shaped differently, but again, this would be beautiful alongside a cat eye to really make these glitteries pop. Like, this is amazing. Look at that gold. Hello, gold. How are you? Super, super cute. Alright, so before we get into these brows, because I'm super scared for my life to put this on my brows. Why don't you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future videos. Oh, I'm scared, guys. Let's just go for it. Okay, so I'm just going to comb this through my eyebrow hairs, and let's give it a little ombre moment and just do the ends. Okay, I'm loving it, so I'm just going to coat my entire brow with these. Oh, wow.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing.
I am actually living for that. Oh, wow. Okay, Mr. Frost, Santa Claus, how you doing? Okay, so I am going to place the silver on this brow before getting you guys back up in my face. So let's just see how the silver works out for the brows. Is it gonna work? We're about to find out.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through.
Alright guys, this is the product on my brows. There's the gold and there is the silver. Now I'm not gonna even try to lie. I am feeling the silver way more than the gold. I'm like, hello, Christmas festival. Yes, like it is catching the light at the perfect angle to make it look like I have icicles in my brows, and I'm living for that. This gold, however, if you have a darker skin tone, this gold would be everything for you. So let's just zoom back out and I'll give my final thoughts. Alright guys, I know that I'm looking pretty off right now, but I'm just gonna give you guys my final thoughts on this Urban Decay Double Team Special Effects Colored Mascara. Those are a lot of words to say at once. Again, I just wish that this wand was shaped differently. The little ridges in it really made it difficult for me to get to the root of my lash without bumping it. So it was a mess underneath there. I had to clean it up. But again, I am feeling the silver way more than the gold. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel because your girl is about to do some crazy looks with silver brows. Yes, I am. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you like what you've seen in this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Turn notifications on so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I love spending each and every moment that I can with you guys. So, until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.